Got him.
Fish on. We got a little barra here on the Xeric live shrimp. Nice little fella. Only a little fella, but still ate that Xeric off the
Little top.
off the top. There we go. Nice little
Clean fish.
perfect hook up in the corner of the jaw. There we go. Beautiful little, it's only a little barra. What's he, probably 55, something like that?
You might scratch it in there.
Yeah. Real skinny little one, this one. But he ate that prawn like there was no tomorrow. Ate it right off the surface, so. Anyway, we'll get him off and we'll let him go. It's a Xeric live shrimp with a 3.5 inch size. I'll quickly let him go. Beautiful little fish. Anyway, we'll let him go. See if we can catch another one.